everyone, and welcome back to another video in our So Easy series. Today I'm going to show you how to make an over-the-shoulder phone pouch, and we will be using Katarina Roccella's new collection called Capri. Within this collection, prepare for a sightseeing venture through the stunning island of Capri with Katarina's signature style of painted florals, coastal tones, and zesty summery prints that will fulfill your wanderlust desires. What better way to transport you to the island of Capri than a quick and easy phone case that can hold all your necessities while viewing the stunning sights? Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more colorful content. For this project, we will be using the prints Piastrelle Sole, Ginestra in Verilioni, Fiori di Salerno, Alici di Chitarra, Lucciole Marina, in addition to our pure solids in blushing, warm wave, icy mint, banana cream, white linen, and vanilla custard, as well as our floral elements in sunset. Here is what you will need. The downloadable templates, which you can find in the description box below. From template 1, 3 cutouts of Ginestra in Verilioni, 3 cutouts of Piastrelle Sole, 4 cutouts of Lucciole Marina, 2 cutouts of Fiori di Salerno, 3 cutouts of Alici di Chitarra, 3 cutouts of blushing, 3 cutouts of icy mint, 3 cutouts of warm wave, 2 cutouts of sunset, 2 cutouts of banana cream, 2 cutouts of white linen, 1 cutout of Lucciole Marina from template 2, 2 cutouts of Alici di Chitarra from template 2, 2 1 5/8 by 2.5 inch strips of vanilla custard, 2 1 5/8 by width of fabric strips of vanilla custard, 1 7 inch by 3.5 inch piece of icy mint, 2 6 by 10 inch pieces of batting, 2 cutouts of interfacing using template 2, 2 swivel clasps with 1/2 inch D-rings, 1 piece of Velcro that is 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches, both the hook and loop pieces, pins, a fabric pen, and scissors. All the fabric requirements will also be listed in the description box below. First, lay out your triangles as you see here. Sew them all together starting with the rows, then sew each row together. Place your template 2 on top and trace it around before cutting it out. Lay your pieced front and your exterior back, right sides up, on top of your batting pieces and quilt. Cut your pieces out. Grab your 7 by 3.5 inch rectangle and fold it in half right sides together. Sew the 2 longer sides at 1/4 inch. Turn your pocket piece right side out, making sure to push out the corners. Stitch a decorative line about 1/4 inch from the folded edge. This will ensure your pocket piece doesn't wrinkle or buckle during normal use. I went with the swirly design I found on my machine, but you can choose whatever stitch is calling your name. Grab your backing piece and measure down 4 3/4 inches from the top. Line your raw edge up here and stitch the bottom of your pocket down. Then flip it up and top stitch the 2 sides in place. Fuse your interfacing to the wrong side of your 2 lining pieces. Next, grab your Velcro pieces and sew them to each lining piece 1/2 inch down from the top. Place your lining pieces right sides together and sew the sides and the bottom, not the top, and leave an opening in one of the sides to turn it right side out later. Fold your 2 1 5/8 by 2.5 inch pieces in half with the raw edges meeting in the middle. Then fold it in half again and stitch down the side to keep them closed. Also sew your 2 width of fabric strips together via one short end. Trim your strap to your desired length, mine being 58 inches, before doing the same thing to this strip as you did to your shorter strips, sewing them closed. Insert the ends of your strips through the swivel clasps and fold down the end 1/4 inch, then 1/2 inch, and stitch down to keep the clasps enclosed. On your exterior piece with the pocket, measure down 1 1/4 inches on each side and make a mark. Fold your small tabs in half with the D-ring inside and pin them just below the marks you made. Then, place your pieced front right sides together with your pocket piece and sew around the 2 long sides and the bottom, not the top. Flip your exterior right side out, pushing out the corners. Insert the exterior into the lining, making sure they are right sides together and the side seams match. Sew around the top at 1/4 inch. Turn your pouch right side out and stitch your opening closed. I used my machine since the opening is in the lining, but you can hand sew if you would like. Stuff your lining inside your pouch and top stitch at 1/8 of an inch. Attach your strap to your D-rings and your phone pouch is ready to go. This is the perfect size to hold your phone and keys in the main pouch, as well as all necessary cards and currency in the pocket on the back. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing everyone!